Alright, so I was out the other day cutting some wood, and my saw decided to quit on me. Having issues, can't get it started, I can't figure out what's wrong with it. I have to go through and figure it out, maybe we'll make a little video of that. But I pulled this guy out because he's kind of my backup. It's a little Echo 345. It's, you know, it does the job. It's not a big saw, but it can get some of the smaller things out of the way, so I can at least open it up so when my other saw starts working, I can get to the bigger trees that I need to. So anyway, go to start up and looking, oh, it's a hole in my purge pump. I swear to God, these things happen all the time, and it is the most frustrating thing in the world. But go get yourself on Amazon, and you can get all sorts of fun little parts to put on. And that is, in fact, what I did. So I went on Amazon, and I'm looking, and I can get 5 purge pumps for $8. 5 of these little bulbs for $8. Now, why in the hell would you need 5 of them? I don't know. I only need 1. So I'm looking around, see if there's anything smaller, and there's not. But there's nothing cheaper. So I found this little package, and there's two options. One that I didn't go with, and it was, I think, $10, and I could get some stuff, and this was $17. And I get the same stuff, but I also got a carburetor. Now I don't need it, but I may need it, and it might be nice to have. I don't know. This is from Anzac. I don't know. As you can tell, made in China. So we'll see. We'll see what we got in here. Hopefully it's what it says it's supposed to be. Alright, let's see. Well, got my air filter. That'll be good. Handy. It's not something I go out of my way to replace, but if I have one for next to nothing, I'll replace it. So that's good. Let's see what else we got in here. Yeah, let's see what do we got there. Okay, got my purge pump number 1, purge pump number 2. Got some fuel lines. It's always useful to have. And ooh, that must be the gasket for carburetor. Let's see what else we got in there. And I don't know, fuel filter there. So yeah, got that. Now I was supposed to have a spark plug as well, so hopefully, there we go. Alright, so I got my spark plug and another filter, I can't ever remember, fuel filter, oil filter, but I have one of each, and a new spark plug. And this spark plug also fits in my 400, which is awesome, because now I have an extra spark plug for either one. And let's get into the fancy little carburetor. I mean, all in all, for $17, all that stuff, if you were to buy that, be pretty, you know, you're there. And I got a carburetor thrown in, so not much to see. But I don't know, $17 plus taxes, because, you know, got to pay the taxes. But we'll see how it goes. I may put this in just for kicks, probably not, but I'll do a little video for all the other stuff going in. So